Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jambo, habari yenu. Karibuni sana. The 18th of November of each year offer opportunity to reflect in Oman's achievement from our history to the resilience of 1970s and the progress of the recent year. The theme of my focus today is a harmony, which remains to the core of Oman identity. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate this auspicious event of Oman's National Day in the Republic of Kenya, it is imperative to have a glimpse for the bilateral relation between the two friendly countries. Over the last 48 years, since the establishment of the diplomatic relation between the two countries in 1976, our historical ties have developed into enhanced relations and cooperation in various fields. We have also made a big stride on all other areas, including political, economic, trade, and investment. Oman is also a leader to clean energy, with the ambition project to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2050.
It is my pleasure to join you today to represent the government of the Republic of Kenya on this momentous occasion marking the 54th National Day of the Sultanate of Oman, a day when the people and the Sultanate of Oman reflect on the journey of a nation that has demonstrated resilience, unity, and remarkable progress. I commend the people of Oman for their tremendous achievements, and I extend my best wishes for the continued success in the implementation of your Vision 2040 strategy.